What up, RevOps fam? I get asked this question all the time. Matt, you crazy person. Why did you switch off Salesforce and now are on HubSpot? There's lots of reasons, but I'll break it down into these two main ones. Reason number one, it's more adoptable. Just like a panda bear, it's easy to hug. Look, HubSpot is just easier to use. And I think this makes sometimes like that doesn't actually matter. Yes, it does. If you don't have users in your CRM and they're not adopting the process, that destroys your CRM and it destroys everything underneath it. The ability for something to be adoptable matters. And there's some more. It's better aesthetically. It's more intuitive for the UX. Email and mobile is phenomenal and it just works. The buttons you want to click just are there when you need it and it puts all the data in one place. There's an entire academy, not with like these technical certifications that something like a Salesforce has, but like user specific for like a sales team that you can give that are non-technical that can allow people to adopt and train on the system better. Not to mention there's free users. You don't have to pay for every single user that's in the system. That is such a big deal because now you can have entire teams getting inside HubSpot to pull the data and see the data and get reports and have them reoccurring. Statement number two, HubSpot is easier to administer. Like if you're a HubSpot admin that is focusing and doing RevOps in HubSpot, your job's easier. You can move from managing fires to all the time with your fire hose to instead being strategic and thinking about how and why questions because you're managing less databases. Your email marketing and your CRM and your sales data are in the same place. Not to mention if you have Ops Hub and you're doing data deduping and data transforming and data formatting, or even your CMS on your website or your service team is on it. All your data is one place. You're managing less databases. Thus, your data is inherently better and it's easier to do reporting. It is easier. It's like you have shorter training and onboarding. You know, have these processes sitting in one place in one system. Everybody's connected. It's just easier to continue doing adopting. There's more institutional knowledge because everybody's on the same platform. So it's easier to fix problems. And you just need less admins, right? You don't have to have an entire team to manage a database. You can have one person that can be strategic. You can outsource where you can have it's not as costly to admin and you can spend resources where your business is getting really, really good at something versus getting really good at HubSpot. Those are the main reasons. There's a lot more, but hopefully this breaks it down and how I answer and think about my switch from Salesforce to HubSpot. As always, stay awesome. Keep doing it big. Never stop believing. Adios.